Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a calendar date picker inside Google Sheets. This will allow you to click a small calendar icon and choose a date instead of typing it manually. So first, open sheets.google.com and open your spreadsheet or create a new blank sheet. Now, look at the cells where you want to enter dates. For example, maybe you want column A to be your date column. Click and drag to highlight the range of cells where you want the date picker to appear. After highlighting, go to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down, click Data Validation. Once you click it, look at the panel that opens on your right side. Under Criteria, click the drop-down and choose Date. This tells Google Sheets that these cells should only accept date values. Now look for a small switch that says Show Dropdown or Display as Dropdown. Make sure this option is turned on. This is the part that enables the actual calendar icon to appear inside your selected cells. After that, click the blue Done button on the panel. Now click on any cell where you applied this setting. You will see a small calendar icon appear on the right side of the cell. When you click that little icon, a pop-up calendar will open. You can scroll through months, select any day, and that date will automatically appear inside your sheet. This makes scheduling, attendance, bookings, planning, or any date-related sheet so much easier and cleaner. No more typing dates manually or worrying about the date format. So that's how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. Select the cells, go to Data, choose Data Validation, set criteria to date, and make sure drop-down is on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tech tutorials.